Hi guys! In this video, we're going to be learning how to log on and use Microsoft 365 on a computer. This video is going to be covering two main things. Firstly, we're going to be learning how to sign in to Microsoft 365, and then we'll be looking at some of the key apps that are available to you in Microsoft 365 that you might want to use remotely. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open your browser and run a search for Microsoft 365 login. Once you've done that, click on the first link that comes up here. This will take you to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. We're going to click Sign In, and we'll then be prompted for an email address. The email address that you should enter is your user number at ea.edin.sch.uk. So again, that is your number at ea.edin.sch.uk. We're then going to click Next. You'll then be prompted again for both a username and a password. Your username is just your number this time, no need for any additional email address information, just your number, and then you should enter your password, which you shouldn't share with others. Then we can click Sign In. Having done that, we find ourselves on the Microsoft 365 landing page. So we have successfully signed in to Microsoft 365. Lastly, we're going to look at some of the apps that are available to us there. So to access the apps that are available to you, you can do it in a couple of different ways. Firstly, most of the apps that you're likely to need will be available to you down this sidebar here. So we can get access to Outlook, we can get access to Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all sorts of different apps that you might want to make use of there. However, if you can't find a particular app, what you can do is you can navigate up to the top left here, and you can click on these 9 dots here, which brings up the App Launcher. In the App Launcher, you may see some more apps that are available to you. And if you still can't find the particular app that you're looking for, you can click on All Apps. Now, some of the apps that are likely to be more useful to you are Outlook, which is where you access your emails, OneDrive, which is used for file storage and for file sharing, and Microsoft Teams, which is where you may find any class teams that you might be a member of. For now, we're going to have a look at Teams. So when you first arrive on the Teams landing page, you'll see a list of the teams that are available to you currently. We're going to click on one of these teams here and have a look at some of the features. So within the team, there are various things that you can use. You can make use of the posts section. So if you have any particular questions that you need to ask, you can post it there and either your teacher or classmates will get back to you with an answer. You can go to the files section, which is where your teacher may be sharing different files with you for the likes of homework or assignments that you may have to do. We've got the assignments tab over here, which is where your teacher may post assignments for you to do. They could be things like quizzes or activities. And then lastly, we've got the class notebook, which is kind of like your own personal remote jotter that you can make use of. So that's it, guys. That is pretty much everything that you need to know to get started on Microsoft 365. Cheers, guys.